Hi everyone, welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1988 Chevrolet Blazer K5 with the Silverado trim package. Killer truck, guys. Recent frame-up restoration, a factory four-wheel drive truck. This is a factory color combination. I think it's called, I think it's called steel gray. Of course, it's got the gray top on it as well, sliding rear window, and it's got the gray cloth interior in it. Clean, solid, straight Georgia truck. It is nice, guys. Paints, of course, the truck has been repainted. This is the original color combo. We have the a lot of the original paperwork when the truck was bought new. It has a GM crate 350 in it. Now it does still utilize the stock electronic fuel injection that was on the truck from the time it was new. BF Goodrich All Terrain TAs all the way around it. These things are so hot. I mean, we just have a tough time even finding them. And let's face it, most of them are just rotted out junk. Let's see what that is, guys. That might be, I think that's just a little wax from them rubbing it out. Yeah, I think that's what that is, guys. Original bumpers, they show a little wear on it. Truck showing 40,000, I'm sure that's 140, guys. But like I say, I know that it does have a GM crate 350 in it. Stock 700 R4, automatic overdrive trans. Hopefully you can see that. I can't really get up there to... Got a little bit of a mess out here. They got the DOT has they're doing some construction on a road today, so I don't even know if we'll get a chance to really run it up and down the road. I can tell you that I drove it the first day it came in, really hit the road great. Back windows power, we got it down so that we can open the tailgate for you. Original trim, little ding there in your... Paint slick. Again, I did drive it when it first came in, put 6-7 miles on it. Really hit the road good. Nice and tight. You see it's got good rubber on it. Again, same thing with this rear bumper. It's original bumper. It kind of does show a little bit of its age. Truck's real clean underneath. Look at the frame and everything. Again, same thing underneath here. Pretty paint. I wish we had some sunshine. It's supposed to get nice later today, but right now we got nothing. We got rain. As a matter of fact, it's spitting a little rain. Again, factory 5.7 liter truck. Stock intake and exhaust manifold. Does have the factory electronic fuel injection. Power steering, power front disc brakes and air. There's your factory jack. Of course, there's a spare in the rear. 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans. Killer truck. I mean, look how clean this thing is. Most of these things I go look at, guys, they're just ate up, man. They were worked hard and the bodies just didn't last. This one's all power wheel, windows, power locks, full instrument cluster. clean, clean. Mirrors are very nice. I think it's all original soft rake glass. There's a couple little marks in them, you know, but again, original GM soft rake glass. Door handles are original door sticker. You can see how clean the bottoms of those doors are. Power windows, power locks, that stuff does work. I've ordered brand new floor mats. This is all new interior, new seat covers, new carpet. You guys get their feet on that, but I've ordered new floor mats for it. Bucket seats, console, again, this stuff's all new. Tilt column, cruise, sports steering wheel, again, full instrument cluster, showing 41,286. Factory AM FM radio, it works. Air blows ice cold. Dual exhaust. It's got the factory 373 limited slip rear end. Again, power rear window, and it does work. Again, look how clean this is. The majority of them that I go see are just rotted right out in there. Original window sticker, original owner's manuals, again, spares back here. Go ahead and shut that, Jordan. Again, truck's just as clean as can be underneath. Doors are nice and clean. Again, all this stuff's new. Original stickers are still here in the glove box too. Dash pad's nice, it's not all split up. You can kind of pick the instrument cluster in there a little bit. It kind of shows its age a little bit. There's your power button for the rear. Go ahead, Jordan. Yeah, truck just runs and drives great. Air blows cold, got it on. Just flips over there to the right. Again, I know the air works. I had it on when it was warm. Killer little truck, man. Gauges are all functioning. You can see it holds good oil pressure. Fuel gauge works. Put your power window up back here too, Jordan. Oh, yep, yeah, all the windows work. Oh, we got one backup light on that side. Again, you can see some little light scratching in that glass. That's your original glass. Yeah, power windows all work. They work good too. Radio works. Yep. Doors open and close nice. You're just gonna have to go back and forth, Jordan. They got it closed down. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Just a good truck. Have a great day, guys.